Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Daddy the Guitarist, a singer-songwriter and a composer. So today I want to teach you how to play Sina Makosa by Lewanyika. But there are also many cover songs for Sina Makosa. But I'm going to teach you the Leswanyika song, the Leswanyika one. Okay, so this is how you play Sina Makosa. I'm only going to show you the first part, the first intro part, okay? But if you are interested in learning the full tutorial, you can just go to my YouTube and check it out, okay? So this is how we play Sina Makosa. This is how we play Sina Makosa. First things first, let us make sure that you're seeing this thing clearly. Sina Makosa. Alright, so this is how we play Sina Makosa, guys. It's very easy. There are also many surprises, okay? In here, inside that progression, there are also many surprises there, okay? So this is how you play Sina Makosa. First thing first, I was playing in the key of A. That's the original key for Sina Makosa, the key of A. So I want to play shape 1 key of A. This is how you play key of A. Take your first finger, place it on the 5th fret, play string 1 and 2, second finger, 6th fret, string 3, third finger, 7th fret, string 4. Pick the bottom 4 strings, all of them. Alright, that's step 1. Step 2, as you keep on playing that shape like that, and I want you to just play string, play the A note, play the A note, the low A note, and then I want you to play the high A note, like this. Just play those same notes, A on the low and A on the high. So just play string 4 and string 1. String 4 and then string 1. So I want you to pluck them. String 4 and 3, string 1. That is step 1. That is the key of E. Alright. Now, second step, on the same here, on the same fret, I want you to play string 5, which is the E note, and string 5, 7th fret, which is the E note, 7th fret, which is the E note, and then string 2, 5th fret, which is still the E note. So on string 5, 7th fret, that is the low E note, but string 2 on the 5th fret, second string, that's the high E note. So pluck them the same way. So you have, are you seeing this thing? Now, when we started this lesson, I told you that there are many surprises. So this is the surprise. So if you don't know, if you're asking yourself, what is this? Oh, this one I've explained. This is shape 1. Okay, this is shape 1. But now you're asking yourself, what is this? This, now here's the surprise. This one is the E power chord. So that is the secret in Sina Makosa. Huyo rhythmist, hiyo ndio ujanja alitumia. Unanielewa? Alitumia power chords. So Sina Makosa imechezwa tu na power chords, advanced chords. Okay? So hii ni nini? Hii hapa ukiulizwa, what is this? This is an E power chord. Now let me show you the secret. Na ukitoa hiyo pinky inakuwa tu key of E like that. Inakuwa tu E. Ka triad tu inakuwa hivyo, ka triad hivyo tu. Unanielewa? So siri kwa hapa. So alikuwa anachezea to change between the chords, change hizo chords, lazima venye nafanya, lazima uzoe vidole zako ziwe flexible ndio zirudi. So that is the surprise. No, even though Sina Makosa imechezwa, hiyo ndio ujanja. Una get? So bala kutumia hizi chord refu, this guy just came and shortened. He shortened them like that. Now, have you understood? Now let me go to the next part. So you have, and then I want you to go to the key of G sharp, the key of G sharp, and then play the same thing, shape 1. Play the same thing, shape 1, like that. What the? Excuse me. So I just want you to play the same thing as you did in the first step. So the first step was this one, and then second step, and then now third step, repeat the first step. In the third step, repeat the first step. It's just that shape, but play string 4 and string 1. The notes are the same: G sharp or an F sharp, G sharp or an F sharp. So G sharp low, G sharp high. That's the difference. G sharp low, G sharp high. Second fret, first string. Fourth fret, fourth string. Okay? And then here is the surprise again. So you have, here's the surprise again. So on the fifth fret, I want you to play the D note. That's a D note, fifth string, fifth fret. And then on the third fret, I want you to play the D note, high E, high D note, string number 2. Okay, so this is the secret, the D power chord. So Sina Makosa yani ni kitu imechezwa, yani kitu ingine advanced sana. Hiyo rhythm unaonanga ni kitu advanced sana. Naona wewe kama rhythmist unafaa understand. Sasa zile unacheza rhythm unafaa understand ni nini unacheza. Usicheze tu rhythm for the sake of playing. Sawa? So hiyo ndo siri. Na hii tutorial nimeona watu wengi wameifanya, but mostly I understand. Wao waelewi nini wanafanya. Una get? So this is the secret. So a D power chord. That's a D power chord. Alright. That's a D power chord. So that's the secret there. Kitoa hiyo inakuwa key ya D, shape 7. So mostly ni shape 1, shape 7, shape 1, shape 7. So you have, now the last step, I want you to slide from mali tu kidole yako ya pili iko, where your second finger is playing the D note. I want you to play the D note, and I want you to play D note, D note, D note, D note, D note. So second string, third fret, third string, fourth fret, and then I want you to slide from third, fourth. I want to slide from the fret 3, fret 4 to fret 5, fret 6. Those two notes like that, like this. My time is up, man. But I'm going to do a part 2. My time is up. Okay? Are we together, guys? Fret 3, 4 to fret